New York City schools coming under fire. A charter school support group is now launching a lawsuit against the city's Department of Education, along with some parents. They say the school system is not doing enough to combat rising rates of violence and especially bullying. One woman says her son has had a particularly rough time.
He has been jumped, punched, and kicked by two boys in his school. Instead of helping me, they blame my son.
Our children are subject to violence. The violence is increasing, and we are seeing the tragic results almost daily.
What about this? Our panel is here now. Mercedes Colwin, a Fox News legal analyst, David Schwartz, a defense attorney and a former prosecutor. Good to see you both. Mercedes, look, states require school. It's mandatory. Right. Students have no choice. They have to go to school. So, doesn't that therefore impose a duty on the part of schools to ensure the safety of students? And a breach of that duty is negligence in a court of law.
It is, but this is a global argument. There are so many checks and balances in the schools. You have training for bullying in the schools for the students as well as the teachers. You have security. You have rules and regulations. You have everything in place in the schools to ensure that bullying and violence doesn't take place.
Is it?
Well, it is enough. These are outliers. I mean, they're claiming it's a class action, but we'll see. Right now, we're talking about less than a handful of individuals who come forward and saying that they were deprived of an education. It's just not
David,
fair.
the U.S. Supreme Court has actually never directly addressed this very issue, but in what's called dicta, in another similar case, they said this. We'll put it up on the screen. We do not, of course, suggest that public schools as a general matter have a degree of control over children as to give rise to a constitutional duty to protect. Is the Supreme Court right or wrong about that?
Well, look, there's certainly the allegations are under the New York State Constitution and the U.S. Constitution. I believe there's a duty to protect under the Constitution. But
so
clearly,
the Supreme Court's wrong.
No. But clearly we have a statute in New York State which they haven't ruled on. We have the DASA statute, which guarantees a child a safe education. And certainly we don't need new laws.
So you're saying this is a legitimate lawsuit because they violated that New York rule?
They have not protected these students. Bullying is a scourge in our society, and that's why we have laws to protect students.
There's plenty that's been in place already, though. You've also have the criminal statutes. You can have, depending on the age of these students, they can be prosecuted as an adult.
I'm not even arguing that.
You know, what's interesting here, Mercedes, is that these plaintiffs are not claiming that the school is responsible for the physical harm caused by these other students, the bullying and the hitting and so forth. Something unique they're claiming here. They're claiming that the students are being deprived of a good education in a safe environment. Now, that's an appealing argument to a jury, isn't it?
It is to a jury, but it has to pass the smell test. It has to be before a judge. A judge can determine that there's going to be a motion to dismiss. And frankly, because there's so many safeguards at the school level, it's going to be hard for that case to actually survive past a motion for summary judgment.
New York City is disregarding those safeguards. That's the point behind the lawsuit. Yes, under DASA, there has to be these safeguards, but New York City is blatantly violating that, and that's what has caused this lawsuit. Well, this lawsuit is very important.
And the mayor was either incredibly honest or his handlers didn't get to him and say, don't say this, we'll put it up on the screen. We absolutely have to do more work. Or more work to do, but school safety is showing us consistently that they can and will continue to drive, blah, 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 blah. But it's his first line that's important. We absolutely have more work to do. He's sort of admitting that they haven't reached a proper standard yet to protect kids.
I think it's really a political statement more so than reality, because crime is absolutely down. Bullying is down. There's a heightened awareness about bullying, and if they see something, say something. You have the kids reporting bullying. You have the teachers reporting bullying.
But it's the administrators who aren't doing enough, even when it's reported. That's the argument.
They're right. There's a protocol in place, and if they don't follow that, and clearly in those 10 cases, they have not followed the protocol, and the protocol is defective also, and that's part of the lawsuit.
David, there's tens of thousands of, hundreds of thousands of students in the system. You're talking about 10 kids. I'm not saying that they may not have an issue, but we're not talking about a class.
They may only be a fraction.
Right, there's a class action, so we don't know how many kids there are.
That's right. It starts with 8, and before you know it, The plaintiffs is a huge class of thousands and thousands.
But under the law, they're going to have to opt in. So that means that there have to be hundreds of thousands of folks that are going to have to
I'm
come
sure
forward
they
and
will
need students.
opt in.
It's got to get past a judge. I give it even chance. What do you think? Even chance?
I give it a very high chance. It's
Really?
gonna get
Less than
passed.
50%.
Oh,
Left
no
it.
way. No
Okay.
way. Well, we'll see.
We'll split
see.
the difference and call it even. I must be right. Mercedes Colwin, David Schwartz. Good to see you both. Thank
Great
you.
to see you.
Greg.
Art?
Okay, against all odds,